Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacino, end of week Tesla wrap-up update. So we were watching for this 315, 316 area, top the daily rotation zone, flat 200 SMA, and 37.5% gain retracement level, all coming in on the same area. Finally rallying up there and closing back in the rotation zone now. So what are we watching for? Our major key support is still this 300 to 304, specifically on the 300. And then key resistance we'll be watching. We're going to might get some minor at 322. If it continues to rally, then we'll be watching for 329. And then we'll be watching, if we get a close above 329, we'll be watching for the eventual potential gap fill. We still have this huge gap left behind from the gap down back on the 18th. We're not yet in oversold territory on the RSI. No sell signals, and it's still in the daily rotation zone, so it is not in really strong bullish mode yet. No real levels changed this week. We had the little rally. We had the little dip after hours, but then the rally the last couple days after earnings were reported. Let's just switch over to weekly chart to get the bigger perspective. Weekly chart. We did get the first cross of the rotation zone, and all in here is very key resistance. So this 316, 319, 320, all that's very key resistance. What I'd be watching for is back on the daily, that 50 EMA. If I can get back there. This 50 EMA, which is coming in about 322. So that's just above. Sorry for jumping back and forth, just trying to do some multi-time frame analysis on the fly. The upper end of the weekly rotation zone is 321. So 321 to 322 is going to be the key area we're going to be watching for a close above. If you get for a close above that, then we'll be watching for the higher targets that already listed, this 329, 341, and then the gap fill. If we can't get above that, we'll be watching for the first key support coming in. Really, that significant level is going to hold more bearing than 304. So I'll be really focused on the 350 mark. If we dip below that, the 291, and then below that, 279. So we have for you on this end of week Tesla update, and we'll talk to everyone next week. Bye for now.